when you enter your email one time there. And also over there, you can join the Real Bros Millionaire Network, where it's like-minded people trying to make money online, just playing games at home, doing whatever you want to do, whatever you're into. If you're into art, painting, cooking, whatever you're into, you can do it at home. There's people who do all sorts of things. Like, you'll be surprised in there, and you can connect with us one-on-one, and we can help you personally find a path for you to make money online based on what you like. So you can join that too. There's 3 different levels. There's like a $5 plan. There's all the way up to like a $50 a month for the gold membership, where we teach you all the secrets in the bigger one. But you can make money from even the $5 a month plan. So I'm gonna show you guys right now quickly how to make $1 million a month online. I'm gonna run through this breakthrough right here. TikTok, bear with us if you're going through it again, but it should be okay. All right. So how to make $1 million a month online. I'm going to use a different color so you guys can see it. It's going to stand out. All right. How to make $1 million a month. Choose a better brush. Size. All right. So let's say you guys have $1,000, right? You got $1,000 and you want to turn that $1,000 to $1 million a month. The first thing you're going to need is traffic. You're going to need traffic. Traffic is going to come from all of these: TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, Twitter, Pinterest, Etsy, Reddit, 4chan, Instagram, and more. These are all your social network sites where you can get, everyone's online, even Twitch right now, like everyone's online and you can reach people. And then you want to take that traffic and you want to send them to offers. Let's take Mr. Beast, for example. He has his gummy bears, he got burgers, chocolate bars. Let's say he has steaks, and he has all these different things he's selling. And then, so he takes that $1,000, he puts it into this traffic to promote his offers, and 1,000 turns into $2,000, and he takes that $2,000 and puts it back into his traffic, and it's a cycle that keeps his money going up all the way until he's at $1 million a month. So now you might be thinking, how can you do it specifically? You're not Mr. Beast, you're not into that. So you want to start with step number 1. You want to choose a niche. You can choose any niche that you want, that you're passionate about. These are just some I just listed off: health, food, MMA, home, gardens, doctors, dentists, lawyers, anything that you're into personally. Like, you could be playing guitar, whatever you want to do, music, whatever niche you choose. You choose your niche, then you create content for your niche. And we tell you what specific niches you can choose in the Real Bros Millionaire Club. We go more into detail, and we help you make content for that niche. But you choose your content for the niche that gives the value, and then you take that content, you post it on these social networking platforms. And once you post it on social networking platforms, you take your $1,000, you put the $1,000 into ads on the social networking site, and the ads promote the offers, and then you flip your money. And this is how you make $1 million a month online. If you have any questions, we're going to be playing games. We'll answer some questions for you guys while we're chilling. We go back to the stream. I know on Twitch you guys are waiting to see some gameplay, so that's pretty much a simple tutorial. And if you want to know more, you can be sure to scan the barcode right here and enter the giveaway. You enter your email one time, you're entered 365 days a year. And you can also enter the Real Bros Millionaire Network